Do you ever feel like your days slip by in chaos, leaving you drained, unfocused, and unfulfilled? What if I told you that one simple change could completely transform your life? Welcome to the Daily Routine Navigator, a one of a kind membership designed to help you master your habits, energize your life, and take control of your future. This is not just about creating routines, it is about building a foundation for success, balance, and clarity in everything you do, whether you are struggling to stay motivated, overwhelmed by life's demands, or simply looking for a way to feel more in control. This is your solution. When you join, you will get step by step guidance to create powerful routines, live weekly sessions to keep you focused, and a supportive community to cheer you on. And here is the best part: you will start feeling the difference from day one. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose, knowing you are on the right path to become your best self. But here's the catch: enrollment is only open for a limited time, and spots are filling up fast. So don't let another day slip by. Take charge of your life and enjoy the daily routine navigator today. Your future self will thank you. So click below to register now and start your journey to focus, energy, and unstoppable growth. Your life is only as good as your routines. So let us make them great together.